The future of work is knocking at our doors. But are we prepared for it? The wheels of technological progress are turning faster than ever, and at the heart of this revolution lies artificial intelligence, an innovation that is dramatically reshaping the way we work, the way we think, and the way we live. From the confines of science fiction, AI has leapfrogged into our everyday reality, disrupting traditional job roles and industries in its wake. From retail to real estate, manufacturing to marketing, no sector remains untouched by its transformative touch. But with change comes challenge. As AI continues to evolve, so too must our skills and strategies. We need to adapt, to evolve, to learn and relearn. We stand on the precipice of a new era, an era where upskilling and reskilling are not just corporate jargons, but essential tools in our survival kit. In this brave new world, upskilling and reskilling are not just buzzwords, they are survival strategies. Consider the healthcare industry. Once reliant on manual labor, it is now increasingly turning to AI. This revolution isn't about replacing doctors and nurses. Instead, it's about augmenting their capabilities and enabling them to do their jobs more effectively. Let's take a closer look at how AI is transforming healthcare. For instance, the diagnosis process. Traditionally, this has been a time-intensive process, often requiring multiple tests and consultations. But with the advent of AI, we're seeing a shift. Machine learning algorithms can now analyze medical images and detect anomalies with an accuracy that rivals, and in some cases, surpasses that of human experts. Let's dive into a case study. Imagine a tool that uses AI to detect early-stage cancers. By analyzing patterns and anomalies in medical images, this tool can identify potential cancerous growths far earlier than traditional methods. This not only increases survival rates, but